If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with a massive battery, solid durability, and that premium Huawei design, then the upcoming Huawei Enjoy 19M Plus might just surprise you. Huawei is expanding its Enjoy lineup again, and this one is shaping up to be a serious everyday beast. The device is expected to launch sometime in April or maybe in early May, but currently there's no official release date and no official price yet. But based on Huawei's Enjoy series positioning, we should be expecting this to land somewhere around $180 to $230, or maybe just $300 if we were to kind of like speculate. But no official price yet, so I may be entirely wrong. Okay, anyway, let's explore the top features of this device. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Now let's talk about the design first. The back of the phone has this sort of flowing texture that gives it a premium look. The camera module is simple and modern. You know, you've got a vertical lens layout paired with an AI branded sensor and flash. Now the interesting part is the fact that the phone actually has a back made of aluminum, which is rare at this price point. The device is also 8.3mm thin, and it has IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance, and it also supports drop resistance of up to 1.8 meters. So this is basically a rugged device. Now these are the specs of the Huawei Enjoy 19M Plus. So there you have it, guys, the Huawei Enjoy 19M Plus. As you can see, the specs of the device are quite nice. You've got a huge battery, durable build, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and so on, for a price that is expected to be very, very affordable. So we're expecting the device to cost around maybe $250 to $300, maybe $350, but no official price yet. Anyway, if I get the official release date and official price of the device, I'll definitely let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.